angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love bids me here. Ever this day, be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen. Father, Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Good evening, class.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, before you take your seat, please put under your chair any trash and pieces of paper. And beforehand, our class today, you can put it in the trash can.
One teacher.
Okay, you may now take your seat. May I request our classroom monitor, Jailin?
Teacher, wala pong absent.
Okay, I'm glad that all of you are present today, that your eagerness to learn is in your heart. But before we proceed to our discussion today, let me remind you our classroom rules. Kindly read our classroom rules, Beverly.
Classroom rules. 1. Listen carefully and follow teacher's directions. Next is do not be too noisy and just stay quiet. Raise your hands when you want to answer and speak. Be respectful towards your classmates. Participate and enjoy the class.
Okay, thank you, Beverly. And to do our recap today, our topic class meeting, we do a reading. Okay? I have 3 words that connected to our topic class meeting. Okay, the word that play, sand, and roll. Okay, all you need to do is fall in line if the riddle refers to that play part, if you think that answers. And kindly arrange your chair and set aside first. Okay, in a count of 3, you can fall in line to your answer. We start for the first riddle. Everyone kindly read our riddle.
I can hold much water and become sticky when wet. I'm made up of very fine particles of rock, and I'm using in making a hut. What a job!
Okay, at my count, 1, 2, 3. Okay, do you think your answer is correct?
Yes,
Our activity entitled One Feet, Guess a Word. But before that, can we read our direction, Beverly?
Direction. Guess the names, phrase of this picture.
Okay, you can guess the name or phrase of this picture, and the timer will be 10 seconds only. After 10 seconds, you can tell us or tell me what is the picture or phrases that you can see in our monitor. Okay? Are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
Number one picture. The timer starts. You can collab your classmate.
Teacher, ako na.
Okay, the group of triangle.
Teacher, ano po? C.
Okay. May I call on the group of circle?
Teacher, ano teacher? Beach?
Okay, how about the last group?
Teacher, water po?
Okay. Let us see the correct answer. The correct answer is C or Cs. And the group of triangle will not the correct answer. And I will give you a score in your scoreboard. And for the second group, what do you think? Teacher. Okay, very good. Okay, for the circle, group of circle,
Teacher, wave.
wave. Okay, for the group of triangle, Peter Ocean. Okay, how about the group of heart?
Teacher, ocean also po.
Okay, let us see what is the correct answer.
Wave, teacher.
Okay, the correct answer, cat
context of daily activities.
Okay, that is our topic for today. And the question is, how water is essential to our life? And the second one, what are the uses of water for our daily activities? And the last one, do you think we can live without water? That is our need to clarify this evening. But before that, let me remind you that our objectives of this lesson. Can we read the objectives? Okay, at the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to Sheena,
Identify the uses and sources of water.
okay, for the second one, Darin,
Demonstrate the importance of water from the different sources used in their daily activities.
and for the last one, Karen,
Give ways to conserve water.
okay, that will be our objectives for our topic. And before we start our discussion, we will have a group activity together with the same group earlier. Our activity entitled
Fishing.
Okay. I have a sentence bag here. And wow! It contains a broken picture and you can fix it based on the picture that you have. For the circle group, for the triangle group, and for the heart group. And can you read the direction first? Sheena?
Direction. Fix the broken picture and paste it on the paper provided. Then tell what picture did you fix.
Okay, did you understand our direction, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will give you 3 minutes to do your task and your timer will start now. Okay, we have already 1 minute left
water daw po, teacher.
Okay, how about you, Joyride?
To keep people teacher or mas marami pa po.
Okay, number 9, 12. Hear me.
1 liter.
1 liter. Okay, class. Remember that the correct or the proper drinking of water, a glass of water is 8 to 10 glass also. Okay, I have a water here. Or in the picture, how can you see? When we say water, what comes to your mind first? Join me.
Teacher, ano po yung teacher? Iniinom po.
Okay, any other ideas? Yes, Karen?
Teacher, we use water po in taking a bath po, teacher.
Okay, how about you, Dali?
Teacher, we use water in cooking, cleaning.
Yes, very good. How about you, Beverly?
Use water in toothbrushing.
Toothbrush. Yes, you can use water and to brush your teeth.
Yes.
And all of your answer is correct because water, that is the uses of water. But we first we define the water. Sheena, can you read the definition of water?
Water, a chemical substance composed of hydrogen and oxygen. Water comes from different sources. It may come from open or closed sources. It may also come from a small or big body of water, and others comes from rain and clouds. Is one essential element of the earth.
Okay, Darin, that will be the answer of your question. Because water is essential elements of the earth because all living things need water.
Yes, we need water.
Use water in our body.
Now, we discussed the three major sources of water. It is the
Seawater, fresh water, or surface water, groundwater.
Okay, we discussed first the seawater. Can you read the definition of seawater? Is that it?
It is salty. It contains plenty of salt. The seas and oceans are examples of seawater.
Okay, the next one, Karen.
It is also considered a hard water. High mineral content, permanently calcium and magnesium ions. It is the habitat of marine aquatic animals and plants.
Okay, that's based on your understanding, what is the difference between seas and ocean?
Sea.
Yes, Beverly.
Teacher, when we see the sea, it's a little bit, but when we say ocean, it's a wide, it's bigger than sea.
Yes, very good. We can see the definition of ocean is seas. Your answer, Beverly. And kindly read the definition of ocean, Karen.
Ocean. It is a body of water that composes much of a planet's hydrosphere. It is the largest source of surface of water that covers about 71% of Earth's surface.
Okay, how about the seas? Sheena, can you read the definition of seas?
It is usually located where the land and ocean meet. Typically, seas are partially enclosed by the land. Seas are smaller than the oceans.
Okay, Beverly, your answer is correct because seas are smaller than the ocean and it is partially enclosed to by the land. And of course, ocean is deep in the sea and big marine animals like blue whale and blue whale can live in the ocean. And also, as I said earlier, the sea is smaller than the ocean, directly enclosed by the land. Okay, what do you think the uses of seawater? Okay, Jailin, do you have any idea about the uses of seawater?
No, teacher.
Okay, you can
a teacher.
Okay, you had a point. How about you, Darren? The uses of seawater.
Teacher, the uses of seawater, we can get a fresh fish.
Okay, my dear Sheena.
Through seawater, we can make salt.
Teacher,
So, okay, Darren, you have any additional?
can swim in seawater before teacher.
Okay, that's great. All of your answer is correct. You can swim in the water and aquatic animals and plants you can see in the water. And additional for that, the uses of seawater. The uses of seawater like there has many there it is for swimming. Okay, because you can see the uses. How about that? Surfing. Okay, another uses is for fishing and more boating.
My dragon, dinosaur, my dinosaur.
Okay, and transportation, and also other recreational activities. Okay, did you understand, class, the uses of seawater?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let us proceed to the fresh water. Okay, Darren? You can enter. Okay, let's proceed. Fresh water. Can you read the definition of fresh water, Sheena?
It is also called surface water.
Okay, Beverly, for the second bullet.
It does not contain salt and is found in open but small bodies of water.
Okay, based on our definition, can you give me an example of fresh water?
Teacher.
Yes, Beverly.
Teacher, river.
Okay, how about you, Julie?
Teacher.
Okay, how about you, Karen?
Teacher. I don't have idea, teacher.
Okay. Yes, Beverly.
Teacher, yung milk po, yung balon.
Oh, okay.
Teacher, rain.
Yes,
Teacher.
Yeah, what?
Rain.
Okay. This is the fresh water. We can see your answer if we have there.
Teacher, it's river.
Okay, river. Falls. Okay, as your said earlier, we have an example of fresh water, the river, falls, and how about this one? Stream. Stream. Another example is the, what about this? What?
Lake.
And streets. Okay. Based on the example, and brushing your teeth. You can use to brush your teeth, cleaning your fangs, and swimming. Plus, still remember, you tell yourself the uses of fresh water because later on we will have an activity. Did you understand the uses of fresh water?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, that is the question. Do you think fresh water is safe to drink?
No. Yes, teacher.
Okay, why? Why, Sheena?
Teacher.
Okay, Karen, can you help me?
I believe that we don't
What?
not all fresh water is safe to drink po, teacher. Kasi nga po, there are different kinds of sources of water, teacher. There's a creek po. So yung mga tubig po, teacher, sa kanan, hindi po natin pwede yun naman kasi, teacher. Pwede po yung mag-cause ng sakit po na sa tiyan, teacher. Yan po,
Okay,
teacher.
great idea. How about you, Beverly? Can you, Karen?
Teacher, yes. Teacher.
Oh, why is yes?
Teacher, kapag wala na po talaga tubig, teacher, binaboil na lang namin, teacher, binapakuluan.
But the answer is Beverly. But the answer is no, because sometimes it might be contaminated with livestock. That's why, Beverly, the fresh water we can drink it because as the answer of Karen, it is you can get a disease to that fresh water because it belongs to that non-potable water. It means non-potable. It means it's not right procedure, or you can do a purification. Okay, let's talk about the groundwater for our last nature of sources of water. Okay, Beverly, can you read the definition of groundwater?
Groundwater refers to any source of water found benefits the earth's surface. It comes from the water that sucks to the ground. It is the cleanest water and contains plenty of dissolved minerals.
Okay.
Kaya pala yung iniinom.
Yes, Beverly, it is the cleanest because it comes from the
Ground.
deepest beneath of our earth surface, and the wheel is the example of groundwater, and the other one is the spring because it also comes to the beneath of our earth surface, and mostly it used for drinking and cooking. Okay? Did you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now let's proceed to other sources of water. They are clouds, rain, and glaciers and icebergs. That's why,
Di ba po, teacher, wala naman po iceberg dito sa Pilipinas?
okay, I will put it in the icebergs because our earth is contains other country, and for other country, glaciers is one of the most or the highly source of water. It comes from the glaciers and icebergs. Did you understand, Karen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let us proceed. Okay, the definition of clouds. Can you read the definition, Sheena?
Clouds. It comes from the evaporating water.
Okay. Glaciers and icebergs. Can you read the definition of glaciers and icebergs?
Sabi ko na magbasa.
Okay. Daniel, can you use the definition of icebergs?
It is solid waters found in every cold countries and contains about 2/3 of the Earth's fresh water.
Okay, that's why we put it in the slides. Okay. As a learner, how will you conserve water? Do you have any idea?
Teacher,
Yes, Karen.
teacher, we can conserve water po teacher by, teacher, kapag hindi po siya ginagamit teacher, halimbawa po sa mga gripo po teacher, or kapag nagugas po ng pinggan teacher, mas mabuti po teacher na gumamit po tayo ng palanggana po teacher para malas po yung paggamit ng tubig teacher.
Okay,
Ay,
very
ano pa teacher?
Okay,
Teacher na po yung kapag naliligo po teacher. Pwede rin po tayo gumamit ng bandi teacher.
Okay, what is your idea, Darren?
Teacher, I can conserve water by ano po teacher? By teacher, patulong na lang ako mag-group na
Yes, Beverly, can we help your classmates?
Teacher, yung sa ano po, magamit po ng baso kapag nag-brush, tapos pwede po yung pag naglaba po tayo, yung mga tubig po na ginamit natin, i-ano natin sa mga plants, ibang gilid.
Yes, all of your answers. Okay, you may now take your seat. All of your answer is correct because as a student, you turn off the faucet after we use it. As like what they said earlier, your classmates. Turn off the faucet and make sure you're back and don't play with water.
Teacher, pero teacher, pagsasabi, pwede mo lawag ng tubig and water teacher.
If you want and if you have
A lot of
a lot
water.
of water,
And you have a lot of money to pay a bill.
yes. But darling, you can use it not every day. You can use it every the occasion of someone.
Okay, teacher, thank you.
Okay, did you understand class?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
And we, as like what I said, Beverly, like you said, Beverly, we use the water for cleaning vegetables, water in plants,
and a lot more.
and do you have any question, class? Did you understand our topic? Okay, that's why we will have a group activity again entitled Complete Me. Okay, everyone, can you read?
Complete me.
Okay. Beverly, can you read the directions?
Direction. Infer the importance of water in daily activities by choosing the phrase from the box. Include their source that match to the picture.
Okay, I have an envelope here that contains a phrase and picture. What you only need to do is you can choose sources of water or the phrase, and then you can paste it on the board. The group 1, the group 2, or the group 3. And I will give you 5 minutes to finish your task. And you may start now. After that, you can paste it on the board. Okay, and now make your escape. You can check if your test is correct. Let us read the for the group task of group 2 teacher. Okay,
Groundwater.
Okay, everyone, please read.
Distilled water.
Drinking. Okay. Do you think class it is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. For the next group.
Fresh water. Brushing your teeth. Taking a bath. Washing dishes.
Okay, do you think class the fresh water it is the sources of fresh water?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, the group 2 answer will be correct also. How about this one?
Seawater.
Swimming.
That's what teacher answering.
Okay, that is correct also. Because
That is the uses of
all
seawater,
that
teacher.
is the uses of seawater. Did you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. That's why, if you really understand, I have an activity again. And please read the direction. So
Supply the boxes with the correct words or phrases. Write in your paper.
okay, get your paper and pens and ball pen or pencil. And you can answer it. And we will okay, I will give you 3 minutes to finish your task. Nakalito nila po ang drinking water, ma'am.
Drinking water.
Yes, ma'am. Kasi everywhere yung uses na water ang isang drinking daw, ma'am. Wala rin ba yun, ma'am, kung i-discuss natin, ma'am? Yes.
Teacher, tama ako. Gusto ako may water.
Ano swimming?
Oy, Karen, ikaw number 3.
Karen, number 8. Ano sa water ko?
Number 2.
Groundwater.
Wala ka na drinking water. Yes, groundwater. Ang dyan, tama. Tama, sagot ko dyan, groundwater. Hindi na ako mali-mali.
Okay? Let's check. The number 1 is seawater, fresh water, and groundwater. Is that different sources of water?
Yes.
Number 2, uses of groundwater in our daily activities are for drinking water. Yes. Cooking is one of them.
Cooking po pala dapat.
Yes. It's okay. That's what. Yes. The number 3, uses of seawater in our daily activities for transportation and swimming. Yes, swimming. Yes, for swimming. Very good. And for other recreational activities. And number 4, uses of fresh water for our daily activities are for washing. Yes. Yes. How about others? Like watering plants. Number 5, other sources of water. Clouds, rain, icebergs. Okay lang teacher na hindi magkaka-explanation. Yes, that's alright. Because it's okay. Thank you, teacher. Okay, did you understand that?
Yes, teacher.
Now, we will have a group activity. Together with the same group earlier, you can going to demonstrate the importance of water from the different sources used to our daily activities. Kindly read the definition, the direction. Sheena, wait a while.
Direction. Each group will perform a different activity that shows the importance of water from the different sources that used in our daily activities.
And I have a box here that contains your task. But before you can get your task, I kindly read the rubrics for our presentation. Beverly,
Content. Delivery 10 points. Teamwork 10 points. Connectedness to the lesson 10 points. Equivalent of total 20 points to that teacher.
okay, did you understand the rubrics class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to do your task.
Thank you.
Ang amin po ay make a short scenario about the source of water and their uses to our daily activities and how we conserve water. Sure.
Nabuhusan mo ako. Hindi na yung host.
Mga anak, ano ba yan? Huwag naman laruan ng ating tubig. Magalili tayo na tubig.
Nay, naliligo po ang madami kami iba.
Kung magligo kayo, dapat untian nila magpabuhos ng tubig. Tandaan ang ating
Maraming iba pa tayo.
Kaya natin makapipid. Mga anak,
Sunod po, yun lang po. Thank you po.
Okay, let's give them a three claps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, number 2.
Teacher, make a short poem about the importance of water to us and how we conserve water.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, go.
Different sources of water is important for our everyday needs. Even animals and plants, oceans and seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. We can bath, clean, fishing, surfing, and boating. We need water for our everyday living. That is why we save water.
That's all, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Let's give them a 5 claps for group of 9 again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And let's watch the last group.
Good evening, classmates.
Good evening.
So this is our situation. Compose a short song about the importance and of water in our daily activities. And think of a familiar tune that can fit the lyric of your song.
Classmate, makinig kayo sa kanta namin.
Kasi baka makatulog kayo, classmates.
Ano ba kayo ay sino?
So the tune of our song is
Watermelon.
Watermelon 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Water, 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 water. We take water, we take water. Every day we use it. Take a bath with my pet. That's a benefit. That's why we save it.
Okay. Repeat once again.
Dapat gandahan nyo.
1, 2, 3, go. Water. Teacher. Teacher, sa
Dahil sa mga namin, sa huwag ka matawag.
You can join to the group of
Water, 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 water. We take water, we take water. Every day we use it. Think you about my pet. That's a benefit. That's why we save it.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Can we give you a 5 claps for the part 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The group 1 will got us
fresh water. You teacher.
Teacher.
Okay, Sheena, you have additional?
Watering plants, teacher.
Okay. Your answer is also correct. Potting, watering plants, preparing food, swimming, and recreational activities. Okay, can you give an example of fresh water drinking?
False teacher.
Okay.
River.
Pan. Okay, the pan, river, lakes, and the stream are the example of fresh water. How about the brown water? Yes, Gina.
The teacher.
Okay, Beverly, you have an additional?
Student teacher.
Oh, stream.
A spring.
Ah, okay, spring. The spring and well and spring are the uses of brown water. Okay, do you think we can live without water? Yes, Daddy.
Teacher, you said later a while ago, we cannot live without water, teacher, because everything we do, we use water.
Okay, that's correct. How you conserve water?
Teacher.
Yes, Daddy.
Teacher, we can conserve water by using it in a proper way, teacher.
Okay. I'm glad that you all understand our class today. But before we end our class, I have a quiz. And can you get one and pass? Can you read the direction?
Teacher.
Yes, Gina.
Direction test 1. Identify the sources of water
Teacher,
as shown in the table. Write the sources in their appropriate description.
Yes, number 2 direction.
Draw a heart shape if it shows good practice about the use of water, and cross shape if it does not.
Okay.
Teacher, we're done.
Okay, are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let us check. Number 1, you can answer number 1. Okay, the answer is
Groundwater.
How about number 2?
Fresh water.
Fresh water. Okay, very good.
Seawater.
Seawater. How about number 4?
Clouds.
Okay, clouds. How about number 5?
Icebergs.
Okay, icebergs and icebergs. Okay, for our test 2, it is
Heart.
okay. Number 5 is X. Who got a perfect score?
Teacher.
Okay, now you can pass your paper in front.
Teacher.
Pass it quietly, and for your assignment, kindly read the direction.
Teacher.
Yes, Beverly.
Direction. Write a two paragraph essay about the importance of water in your daily life. Also include the ways on how you could conserve water. Write it in your assignment notebook.
Okay. That's all. Are you done to public class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class. Please stand. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.